Bloody hell! We were having a green day earlier today. Now we are in the trenches. But not really, though. Just the ending day with the red color. Just a lower price action than $30. But that's okay. We're still in the high 20s. 28.55 is what we closed at today. Not financial advice. Don't take it as financial advice. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. Take everything Sam also says with a grain of salt, too. He likes to throw out some financial advice here and there. But, what else is new? Stocks dropped today. Everyone's probably going to pinpoint that GameStop was the only stock that dropped today, but I'm here to tell you it was bloody hell for everybody else today. So, I'll show you why. Let's check this out. So, first and foremost, this is a beautiful GameStop right here. Best stock to invest in, of course, in my opinion. So, this is where we were at. We started the morning off really strong. What is today, the 18th? Yes, it is. So we started at what? I would say, around the $30 range, consolidated for a bit in the morning, and then spiked up to $31.70. Stayed above $31 basically for the rest of the day. Maybe towards the end of the day, in the afternoon, right before we closed the stock market, we started to drop, started to tank. Whatever you want to call it, it is what it is. I'm okay with the price action because that just means A, more buying opportunity for tomorrow. B, I get paid this coming Friday, so I already have dry powder for tomorrow, but also got dry powder for Friday. And, oh, no. Sam, are you stepping on my keyboard? Alright, sorry, y'all. No edits, no cuts. Sam is walking over my keyboard, and he's, acting crazy. He's not acting crazy. He's just being cute and sweet. But 28.55, all right? So the news, people, naysayers, people on YouTube telling you to sell that are bearish against GameStop, they're going to tell you this is bearish. This is the 1 minute chart, by the way, of GameStop. This is just today's price action. But before I go over the macro for that, let's go check out everyone else. S&P 500 topped off at 606 today. 606 and 41 cents, and we dropped down to 85 or 585, closed at 586 for the day. Tesla, this one was a big drop, so it spiked up to $488.54, and it just gradually went slowly down and then dipped all the way down to $427.02. So Tesla closed at $40, so basically down $39, $40 for the day, which is actually insane. But yeah, XRT, basically the retail sector in a bundle. It was at $83.54 today. That was the highest point for today. The lowest point was $80.06. Closed at $80.38. So you get the idea, right? Amazon dropped, $10 today as well, too. Google, all of the blue chips. Nvidia is trash. I remember when I was going through Facebook multiple times, they were like, yeah, buy Nvidia. This thing is going to $170. Purchase my freaking Discord, whatever. All the scammy crap that people like to do on the internet. It's disgusting. Stop it. Stop it. Alright, GameStop on the macro trend. This is the 4-hour chart, y'all. So, as you can tell, the dotted line right here, my trend line for dotted line, I said it twice, but whatever. It is looking fabulous so far. Because I had it originally like this. Y'all remember that. But now we got it like this because, I had to be realistic. So we're technically still within this wedge. I guess we couldn't bounce off of this. That's what I was looking for, is that I was looking for us to bounce off of this downward trend, which was a part of this mini wedge right here that I have on the 4-hour chart. But it looks like we couldn't just bounce off of it very cleanly. Looks like we actually broke below it, and it looks like we stayed above the dotted line, my short-term dotted line, if you will, for the trend line, which is for the upside. But it looks like we're still holding strong as far as that channel in between $27 and $28 goes. So that makes me happy too. And even if we do break down below into that channel, that's a buying opportunity for someone like myself who's, always just buying GameStop whenever he can. And supporting the company whenever he can and talking about it to anyone whenever I can. However I can. as long as we deliver the message to the masses. But, you know, it's hard to do that. It's hard to do that when the picture is already painted to them that GameStop is a dying or a dead company, and compare it to all of these other dead companies that are bankrupt and just don't have the best financials or the best balance sheet. Meanwhile, GameStop is over here making profits. Sorry, let me rephrase that. They have redid everything balance sheet wise, how to run the company. I mean, my goodness, expenses, lowered liabilities, SG&A has been lowered as well too over the years. So that's increasing profit margins. And for the long run, that's good for a company like us who is looking to grow, who is looking to make investments or maybe make some moves on the market to see what kind of a marketplace that we could tap into and grow our audience and grow our buyers, grow our customers. This stuff takes time, and I got all the time in the world to be in a GameStop stock. I'm going to keep on buying at least one share a day. Of course, we are below $30, so I myself will be buying shares tomorrow. If we keep on going red into payday on Friday, oh my goodness, commission checks. But, you know, first things first, I'm going to let y'all know how I do it. I always tell y'all in the videos, I know I'm like a broken record player, but I'm going to let y'all know. Pay the bills. Make sure everything is paid off. I guess it's the same finger. Make sure everything's paid off, like bills like that. By your family, your friends, whoever you love, closest to you, significant other, whatever of that. Buy the Christmas presents. Stop waiting. Get them now. Then once you're all good with that for the rest of the month, or maybe you're the type to pay bills early, and you're good for the rest of the month, and maybe even the next month or part of it, and you got that dry powder left over, you know what to do. Well, I don't know what you're going to do, but I know what I'm going to do. And that's buy GameStop shares. Because I love the company. I love the stock. I also have everything, I feel like, as far as in my life, I feel like I have everything I need, baby. I just need more GME. So we're going to keep on getting it. Love y'all to death. Hope y'all had a fantastic day. Hope the day ends fantastic. And if it's not going well, it's not going to end fantastic. So make that day better. Turn that frown upside down. Because GameStop is going to be back above 30 anyways. I'm not too concerned about this at all. Small drop. Fire sale. That's what I'm going to call it. Trigger words. Peace out, everybody.